good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Risa Dao. I am 41 years old, married, blessed with 2 kids, ages 17 and 3 years old. I am a college undergraduate, taking up Bachelor of Science in Management Accounting. I have 6 years experience working abroad as a nanny at the same time as a domestic helper. In Singapore, I worked for 2 years. I served 5 family members, a grandmother, a couple, and the 2 kids, ages 2 and 6 years old. I also work in Pakistan in Pakistani family. I serve 4 family members, 2 adults and 2 children, ages 3 and 5 years old. And in Hong Kong, I serve 4 family members, 2 adults and 2 children, ages 3 and 7 years old. As a nanny, my main duties and responsibilities is to take good care of the kids. I make sure they eat healthy and nutritious food. I also teach them good personal hygiene like taking a bath, brushing their teeth, washing their hands, and changing their clothes. I also help them in preparing their school bags and uniforms, help them to get ready and send them to school. I also help them in doing their homeworks and other educational activities like drawing, coloring, learning alphabets and numbers, identifying shapes and colors. I also help them to read storybooks before bedtime. I also play with them indoor and outdoor games. I'm not only a nanny, I also do household chores like cleaning the house, washing the dishes, washing and ironing clothes, cooking, marketing, car washing, and also gardening. I am honest, reliable, trustworthy, and very hardworking person. I am also kind, independent, can follow instructions easily, and fast learner. Mom and sir, I hope you will give me a chance to be part of your family. I will take good care of your kids. I will love them as my own children. I will finish my contract and stay longer, as long as you want me to work. Thank you so much, Mom and sir, for watching my videos. I hope to see you soon. God bless and have a nice day.